In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot so you can keep your file manager clean and easy to navigate. If your account is starting to feel cluttered, this will help you stay organized. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard. From the top menu, go to Marketing, then look for Files and Templates. You can also access files through the Content section, depending on your layout. Once you click on Files, you'll see your full file library. Here, you can view all the files you've uploaded: images, videos, documents, and more. You'll also see details like file type and available actions. Let's start with organizing your files. If you want to group similar files together, create a folder. Look for the Create Folder option and click it. Give your folder a clear name, for example, Pictures or Logos, something that makes sense for your content. Once the folder is created, select the files you want to move. You can do this by checking the box next to each file. After selecting them, choose the Move option and place them into your new folder. This keeps everything structured and easier to find later. Now let's talk about editing files. To make changes, click directly on a file or select it using the checkbox. Then click Actions. From here, you can rename the file, update it with a new version, move it to a different folder, or manage who has access to it. Renaming files properly is especially important if you want to quickly identify them in the future. Finally, if you need to delete a file, select it using the checkbox and click Move to Trash. This removes it from your main file library. Just make sure you're not using that file anywhere on your website or emails before deleting it. Keeping your files organized not only saves time, but also makes your workflow smoother, especially if you're working with a team. And that's how you organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.